As an aside, this is the microwave oven install done some time ago, where we took out the crappy gas oven, which was about as much use as a chocolate teapot, relined the area with some alloy to screen it all off, fitted a power supply on a 3-pin circuit which is tapped into the main fuse board on a power lead. Got an oven, the microwave oven the right size, and we slot that in. In this case, we spent a while selecting the oven. This is a Sharp microwave combination grill, relatively low power. There's the model number there, YCQG204 Alpha. Put a small piece of angle iron, not angle iron, angle alloy as a stop, so that the feet can push against that and stops it sliding out. And pad the sides out with some insulated foam, and that holds it all in place quite nicely when it's in position.